Hey guys, Joel at Kooy Brothers here. In this video, we're showcasing the all-new Wright Standard B stand-on zero-turn mower. This machine was designed with the entry-level landscaper in mind. It's compact, maneuverable, and low maintenance. The Standard B features an 18.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine, so a great quality engine on there. It also features a 32-inch side discharge deck, which is one of the most narrow decks on the market in standard zero-turns. A 32-inch deck is great for fitting into tight, narrow backyards, getting through the gates, and leaving a very lightweight footprint. One new feature of the 32-inch Wright Standard is the floating deck design. You can adjust the height on the go from 2 to 5 inches with a simple move of the lever. You drop it down, change your heights over here, and lift it back up again. With this Standard B, you're getting the same quality you get with all the other Wright products. You've got very smooth controls, you've got a flexible side discharge chute, you've got a tool carrier that's accessible from the operator platform. Your standing position is very comfortable. You're right in between the drive tires, so you have a low center of gravity, great visibility over the machine. One of the other cool features about the Standard B is the access to the fuel tank, which is now situated over the center of the machine. So this gives you easy access, but also a great center of gravity when you're driving forward.